Since you already know how to add photos and text to your page, I did that already for my magazine, and I want to show you the benefit of having the layers. I put all of the text on this one layer, so that's all my text, and I put all the photos on this layer, and then guides and any miscellaneous stuff on this layer. So let's say I just want to look at my photos. I can, it's this little eye icon. You can select specific layers to look at and to move things around. And I noticed that I have, where was it, on the text layer, this is actually a graphic in the background, and if I click this little red square to the right and I select photos and graphics, I can move it to the correct layer by just dragging it. So now it's on the correct layer, and when I click just photos, that includes the graphic. One requirement is to add a consistent stroke, color, and thickness to your images, and if you just select just your photos. Once you have just the photos, graphics layers selected, then zoom in so that you can see the stroke. Once you put it on your images, you can use the zoom tool and just select the whole area that you want to zoom in on. Right now, my 3 photos are showing, and I can select all the photos. And if you look at the top of the screen or on the toolbar where the stroke area is, it says 0. You could change that to 1 point or 2 point. Right now I have a 1 point black stroke. I could change it to a 1 point white stroke or make it 2 points, see it a little better. The next requirement is to add a polygon shape, and if you just select the polygon tool and double click on it, you can input the number of sides that you want on your polygon. I had 15 in there. Okay, a 15-sided polygon. I'll draw it and show you what that looks like. Or you could create a star or a starburst or whatever you want, and then change the color. Let's say I want it to be yellow, and you want to make sure that's on your graphics layer. And then if you select your text layer, you can add some text about your special issue. The last step is to create a press quality PDF, and you want to check your links and make sure all of your photos are linked to your document. If you go to Window Links or Shift-Control-D, you will get a palette, a links palette. If any of your images are not linked, there will be a caution symbol that you double click on, and you just find the photo on your computer. And this is a press quality PDF of my magazine cover, and there are some advanced features that I use that you'll be learning in future assignments, such as the shadow on the type, the opacity on the graphic at the bottom, and feathering on the graphic behind the Baines adoption text. Oh, I also used a glyph for the heart in the title of the magazine. So you'll be submitting this with PDFs of your thumbnail images and any necessary reference page for graphics that or photos that you use that are not yours.